Hey guys, my name's John and today I wanted to do a quick review of the ZAAP Ultra Slim keyboard. Okay, so first things first, I'm a huge tech enthusiast and I'm a power user at that. I use them for work, at home, outside, you name it. And just like any power user who actually makes a living out of these devices, I've got a lot of them. I've got Android devices, Apple devices, a PC and a Mac. Having said that, I do a lot of word processing on these devices. Besides documentation, I do a lot of programming too, so you can imagine that having a keyboard that works well across devices is an absolute must for me. Now, I've gone through several keyboards in my lifetime, and can I just say that this keyboard that I've got right here from ZAAP is hands down my absolute favorite. Firstly, it works across all of my devices, my Mac, my PC, my Android and iOS device. Connections are strong and I really like how the battery lasts very long. Being mobile most of the time, it's important that my keyboard is light and extremely comfortable to type on, which is exactly what the ZAAP keyboard is all about. It comes with pretty much everything you need to get started, and the best part is a portion of your purchase actually goes to a good cause. If that's not enough reason to support this brand, I don't know what is. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!